Buying a new boat is too expensive. Let Boat Finance help you extend the life of the already beautiful boat you have. A quality boat can last decades, and costly engine repairs become a major concern. At Boat Finance's division, Outboard Capital, we make it easier for you to repower the boat you already love. Boat Finance is the marine industry's #1 lender for repowers. We offer 3 different kinds of loans. Motor only, up to 6-year loan term. You only use the motor as collateral. Repower, up to 10-year loan term. We take the boat as collateral, and you can include any other upgrades, electronics, paint, etc. Refinance Repower, up to 10-year loan term. If you have a current loan on your boat, we can refinance it with the new motor altogether. Boat Finance offers an industry-exclusive repower program with flexible rates, terms, and financing options. We let you finance an engine repower project on new and used outboard engines, as well as the cost of rigging, parts, and upgrades. Loan amounts vary from $5,000 to $125,000, with terms up to 10 years and fixed rates starting at 5.99%. So, you want to repower your boat, but financing options are slim? Go to www.boatfinance.com and click on Apply Now. Get pre-approved instantly. Once pre-approved, one of our sales reps will guide you through this easy process. Once you find a motor you like, we'll put together your electronic documents that are signed through DocuSign. Once they are signed, we wire the money to the dealer and you are set to go. Boat Finance blows competition out of the water.